So like a month and a half ago, I won a fantasy fitness like posting entry contest, and it's been sitting in my room in the corner, the package, for like a month and a half. Let's go see what it is. I don't even know where to begin opening this. This is so cool. Certificate of Achievement. I did the Abs Like An Illyrian 3-day split 4-week challenge. The little certificate. It's cute. And then get your friend the gift. Free box factor. It looks like meals for at home. And okay, this is what I'm so excited about. How do I do this? This is so cool. It's like a training sword. It's like, okay, this is going to be fun. Look. A training dagger. See, like strapping to a thigh. That is badass. And then women's vitamins. Ooh, daily superfood plant protein by Aura, so lean and clean. 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are pretty cool. I'm excited to try them out. But anyway, you should go follow. It's BMC and her fitness routines. They are phenomenal. She has so many different fantasy ones, and she's always coming out with more. So I will link her below, and you can go follow her. Thanks. Bye.